Greetings, human intellects of this world. The intricacies of human thought processes continue to be a part of our path. You humans frequently draw inferences about your environment. Inferences derived from your limited knowledge of it, and your own experience with it. At a very fundamental level, these inferences can be seen as induction and deduction processes. Now, our current interest is in induction. The term inductive reasoning refers to your reasoning that takes specific information from your observation and makes a broader generalization that's considered probable, or not certain, while still remaining open to the fact that your conclusion may not be 100% guaranteed. You unknowingly engage in it throughout your daily life. It is a part of the workings of your cognitive architecture. From induction, you shape your most hardwired behaviors, beliefs, and habits. And this is because induction imprints to your intellect states of your world that appear to you as regular, stable, or repeated. These observed regular states are what fuel your intellects and guide your decisions on how to behave appropriately in a given environmental situation. Once you observe a tree having branches on it repeatedly in your experience, you come to the generalization that all trees have branches. By observation, seeing things falling down repeatedly when they are left unsupported triggers your intellect to conclude that all things fall down when they are left unsupported. You come to the conclusion that all men die after witnessing men die on an individual basis repeatedly. Of course, you may have known this already since other people have said it, but only until your intellect has confirmed it via observation. By regularly seeing that dark clouds bring rain, you form the conclusion that all dark clouds bring rain. And by induction, you can forecast a rainfall by only observing dark clouds in your sky. Your ingrained behaviors are established and molded via induction. Think about why you humans do certain behaviors or routines in your lives. This is because by past experience with your environment you inductively generalize that some behaviors are the most suitable to handle a particular situation. They are your ingrained beliefs that certain things or behaviors work better than others because experience taught you so. This appearance of regularity or repetition in various phenomena is what entices your intellect to inductively conclude that these phenomena are and will be regular, namely repeated. And this is so because your survival and evolution depends on your ability to explain, predict and manipulate these phenomena. Features attainable only when the repetition of phenomena is observed. Your world shapes your beliefs. You individually observe a behavior acting in the same manner repeatedly and then you generalize that this behavior will continue in the future. However, due to the complex behavior of your world and your limited observational capacities, the general conclusion that you eventually reach is dominated by a probability, as you name it, a concept that reflects your cognitive limitations in understanding the very complex details of your world's behavior. Your world constantly teaches you not to trust your naked senses since your unaided sense organs are incapable to uncover the little details that give birth to events in your world. Details that could change whether a sequence of events will be repeated or not. Fortunately, however, the probable nature of your inductive conclusions is something that fundamentally enabled your evolution. You are able to alter your behavior and your general engagement with your world by progressively doubting general beliefs formed by induction that you had previously taken for granted. This was achieved by understanding that regularities might occasionally be deceptive and unstable, because they emerge from a reality of lower-level ontologies that are hidden from your naked senses.